Welcome in this video, and in this one I'm going to share with you how to promote your influencer services so you can actually make money using Instagram. And the best way to do it is using Fiverr. Now Fiverr, if you go to Instagram shoutout, you can actually see here that there are different accounts, like this one that has 100,000 followers, this one 150,000, and different ones 180,000. Some people have less. So let's just go into one of them. Let's just go into this one. And if you see here, this person over here, Yvonne, this girl, is offering one shout out or different packages of shout outs with specific prices. And you can see here, like the basic package has one shout out for 12 hours on mention in caption and tag on blah blah blah. And to show you a little bit of an example of how you can do that, basically before I show you the example, this is the best way to do it using Fiverr. You can also do it using Instagram, like messaging other people in Instagram, but this is the way that is like better. People actually come here to find someone to shout out their name or their business or something like this in Instagram. So if we go here, you can see this one. Now Inmars is the company of Yanis. It's Yanis's company. But let's say Inmars was not Yanis's company and Inmars was another guy's company, and they were just coming or direct messaging Yanis and was telling Yanis, look, I want you to promote Inmars and to put a video with this specific caption or letters here, the little text. Then you should put follow Inmars blah blah blah, and then put these hashtags. So Yanis then could do a promotion like this one and this kind of video that is very beautiful, has good sound. Maybe you cannot hear the sound because I'm making a video right now and I have this disabled, but it is a good video. And these kind of things can be done through Fiverr. So let's say Yanis has a specific account in Fiverr that says,